You're listening to the show on KJZZ, and these are the sounds of the city.
Normally I don't get ink with the bone folder for books, but it's right here, so why not? I'm Diana Calderon. I am a visual artist and educator. In my work, I'm creating abstract prints and abstract books, I guess, to tell a piece of my story. The mechanical part of it is, of course, the sewing machine and the printing press, even though, this is a little baby mini press. And turn. And that felt really light, so I'm going to adjust the pressure. I love cutting paper. And this is bark paper, so it's really difficult. I don't continue to do the same thing over and over because I'm constantly looking for projects that are new or challenging, and I think one of my specialties has become to troubleshoot and figure things out.
That's Diana Calderon, printing abstract art books at her Phoenix studio. If you have suggestions or hear things that make Phoenix Phoenix, send us a note, theshow@kjzz.org.